Lieutenant Ray Henderson Owen. Ray Henderson Owen was born on December 1, 1921 in Paris, Illinois. He grew up in Detroit, Michigan, where he graduated from Cass Technical High School in 1940. While working as an electrical apprentice, Ray enlisted in the Naval Air Corps on August 3, 1942. In March 1944, after 15 months of training, Ray was assigned to Fighter Group VF-81 at Otis Air Force Base, where he qualified to fly the feared F-6F Hellcat. From 1944 to 1945, Ray was involved in major strikes in China, Japan, and the Philippines aboard the USS Wasp. One flight saw the wings of Ray's F-6F riddled with bullets, but he managed to fly the 100 miles back to the ship. Ray served out the remainder of the war stationed on the East Coast and then separated from the Naval Air Corps in November 1945 as a lieutenant. Ray earned the Philippine Liberation Medal, Asiatic Pacific Campaign Medal, American Campaign Medal, World War II Victory Medal, and Air Medal. Lieutenant Ray Owen was honorably discharged from the United States Naval Reserve on October 1, 1956. While stationed at Otis Airfield on Cape Cod, in the summer of 1944, Ray met his future bride, Isabel Mahone. They married on April 21, 1945, and were happily married for 65 years. After the war, Ray moved back to Detroit and joined the International Brotherhood of Electricians, Local 58, Detroit. As an electrician, Ray worked in and around Detroit, as well as Sao Paulo, Brazil, Shreveport, Louisiana, Rockford, Illinois, and Cleveland, Ohio, retiring in 1990. Throughout his life, Ray has been interviewed many times about his experiences in World War II and has shared those experiences with young people whenever he can. For his contributions to military aviation for the United States of America, Ray Owen is enshrined in the Michigan Aviation Hall of Fame.